Christmas has gone by in a blink and a flurry of snow, and now it's almost New Year's Eve. And if you are planning on partying the night away, I bet you've already ransacked your closet pulling the perfect outfit. A sparkly dress, a festive jumpsuit, a soft sweater with a tutu skirt. Either way, it's your time to shine. So you touch up your makeup and do the final tweaks, choosing pretty accessories, dousing yourself in your favorite fragrance, and trying on your stylish and comfy heels, ready to own the night. Except you catch a glimpse of your once perfect Christmas manicure, and yowza! Let's just say you need a quick and efficient DIY festive manicure. Step 1. Exfoliate your hands. Just like it does for your face, this will ensure any dead skin cells are removed so your hands can look their best. My favorite is Hololand Cosmetics White Peel, which I slather my hand with and let it dry. It should take about 2 or 3 minutes before you can start rubbing off the product, which means it's all dried and ready to be washed off. Step 2. Moisturize. Winter has a habit of drying your hands like crazy, so soothe your skin with a great moisturizer. I go for L'Occitane's Shea Butter Cream, which gives you baby soft hands. I thoroughly massage it into the skin and let it sink in about 5 minutes. If it's not fully absorbed, you can pat the excess off with a tissue. Step 3. Prep your nails. This means first taking off any residual nail polish with a gentle nail polish remover. This will also help remove the grease from the moisturizer, which prevents the new nail polish from adhering well. Then you can shape your nails as you prefer by clipping and or filing them. One tip I would have you file them down is to only do it in one direction. This prevents the nail tip from breaking. And at the end, rather than cutting the cuticles, I suggest pushing them down with a cuticle pusher. After all this work, we can move on to the fun part. Step 4. Painting your nails. I usually do 4 coats here. 1 clear base coat, 2 colored coats, and another clear top coat. The base coat helps the other layers stay put and protects your nail bed from discoloration. This is especially important for darker nail polish, which I don't know about you guys, but it's my go-to during winter. For the base and top coat, I opted for O.P.I start-to-finish polish, which I paint on in a thin layer. It's important to let each individual coat dry off completely, until you can touch your nail and it's not tacky. It's about a 3 or 4 minute time investment for each layer, but it guarantees that your manicure will look spotless at the end. No smudges, no thick, gloopy patches. For the colors, I chose the O.P.I Mini Holiday Stars collection with Gwen Stefani. They have 4 gorgeous jewel tone polishes, which I will use for a trendy, festive ombre manicure. What can I say, Pinterest got to me too. So I start off with Watch Your Poinsettia on my thumb, Red Fingers and Mistletoes for my index and middle, Kiss Me or Elf on my ring finger, and I Carol About You on my pinky. I always make sure to start from the middle of the nail and then paint the sides for complete coverage. No worries if you happen to paint some polish on the skin around your nails too, we'll get to that in a bit. Again, I give my first layer time to dry, then proceed with the next. If you need 3 layers of color, that's fine too, but I wouldn't do more than that. After the second colored layer has been painted and has had time to dry, I seal off my hard work with a top-to-finish clear polish. And you guessed it, wait for it to dry. What better time to relax with a magazine for a bit? And in the end, step 5, final touch-ups. This is where we deal with those pesky streaks of polish around your nail. What I do here is I soak a Q-tip in a bit of that nail polish remover and gently wipe around all of the nails. You might think this is a small, unimportant step, but it's really something that will take your manicure from an obvious DIY to more of a salon level. And that's it! In under 30 minutes, you should have perfect, shiny nails to complement your chic outfit. Just in time for you to text your Uber and go meet up with everybody else. Here's to a great New Year's Eve, guys, and to a fabulous New Year!